Hi everyone. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ കുറച്ച് സ്പെഷ്യൽ ആണ് കേട്ടോ ബിക്കോസ് almost two years back. I don't remember when, but long time ago, uh, I had this desire to visit all the holy religious places in Delhi because Delhi is so rich in culture. So I wanted to not pub hop, but religious space hop. And it didn't happen because COVID happened, and we were all stuck in a place. And then I went to Kerala, I came back. So this time, when COVID was slightly in control, ek minute, Shrija is calling. I'll finish this. 1 second, I'll pick this call and call you back. Jasna's admission is going on, so we're all like, as a family, like a bunch of people are worried about her post 12th life. But anyway, let's get back to the topic I was talking about. So, I wanted to do religious space hopping. So we this year when COVID was in control, we thought of doing that. So two weeks back, me, Jasna, Shweta, Ashwin, Kannan bolte to मैं confuse हो जाती. Ashwin, we all went to few of the religious places. Day one was interesting. My phone wasn't working, and I don't know. I was new to this entire experience, so we couldn't record much. Other than the introduction, I didn't record anything. But day two was amazing. I could shoot a little bit. So here are the visuals. Hi. So yesterday we did little bit of traveling. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ ചെയ്തിട്ട് വേറെ ഒന്നും നിങ്ങളെ കാണിക്കില്ല. അത് തന്നെ ആയിരിക്കും ഇന്നും നടക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. So ശ്വേത, ജസ്ന, അശ്വൻ, ഞങ്ങൾ ഇന്നും പുറത്ത് തെണ്ടികൾ നടക്കാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. We're going to Jama Masjid, and then we'll go to the food area around that place, and hopefully I will show you something, but you never know. And it's gonna rain, so I don't know if I'll be able to take the camera out, but yeah. Hey! Sorry. പുറത്ത് ആൾക്കാർ അവർക്ക് ഇച്ചിരി വിഷമമുണ്ടായി.
आजा खाली पन में पीका घर तेरा तेरे बिन खाली आजा खाली पन में तेरे बिन खाली आजा खाली
There is something about old Delhi. Like, it is like a different world altogether. Anyway, Delhi, each sector has a different mood, different life. No? Don't you think so?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I was not there. But I definitely think so.
No, but haven't you seen places
Yes,
in
I
Delhi?
have. I have
Yeah,
seen.
it's really beautiful. And even though I'm born and raised in Delhi, I've never been to old Delhi. I have never been to Jama Masjid. And when we went there, trust me, it's huge, and it just it gives you a like as a मतलब कि A.R. रहमान के सारे गाने तब बजने लग जाते हैं. Like it's so beautiful and so like it has like all spiritual places have some holistic element, and it's so nice. I just enjoyed being there. And after that, we went to Jama Masjid ke paas. There are a lot of eateries. Huh? Al Jawahar. Yeah, that's where we went, and we ate kebabs, and trust me, it was so tasty. You should go try it out if you haven't. So we are at Al Jawahar, and we ordered kebabs. Kam mangaye?
This is chicken barra and this is chicken. This is seekh kebab.
Yeah, and we'll order more. We're just tasting a lot of things. Shweta chicken leg എങ്ങനെയാ പിടിക്കാറ്? And Shweta ഞങ്ങളായിട്ട് വള്ളത്തിന്റെ പേരത്തിൽ ഉടക്കാണ്. ഇവിടെ കേരളയും തമിഴ്നാടുമാണ് നടക്കുന്നത്. I'm just kidding, guys. That's Ashwin.
Don't make it political, Jinky. Let's not.
Okay, sorry. And this is just ഇവള് ആള് ശരിയല്ല. Like, note the face. Okay, guys. Let's eat. Now I'm gonna eat, okay? Sorry, ഭക്ഷണം കഴിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള വീഡിയോ എടുക്കാൻ മറന്നുപോയി. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇപ്പൊ എടുക്കാം. ഇവള് ശരിയല്ല. അത് ഓർത്തിരിക്കണം.
This is nihari roti. This is sheerman. This is also this is kamili roti. This is nihari. This is sheerman. എല്ലാം തന്നെ
എന്താണെങ്കിൽ ഞങ്ങൾ ഭക്ഷണം കഴിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്.
രസമായി നോക്കുന്നു. ചേച്ചി കഴിച്ച് ക്ഷീണിച്ച് സന്തോഷിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നു.
And then we were on our way back home, and we were like, oh wait, Red Fort, let's just go to Red Fort. So as a kid, I've gone to Red Fort as school picnic and all of that thing, and trust me, it wasn't something I would love to go. But I don't know why that day we were like, okay fine, let's just go see Red Fort. It was late. Trust me, if you're romantic or you want to have a romantic date with your partner, Red Fort at night is the most romantic place. It has an ambience which is like it's lit well. There's so much peace, and right now the weather is so amazing. It's cold but not too cold, so it's just mwah. And yeah, like, you know, I think if you have a guy or a girl or whoever, or you just for me, I can be romantic by myself. Like मेरे को मैं तो वहाँ पे मतलब कि साड़ी पहन के ला के मूड में हो गई थी, because it was so nice. So we did that, and guess what? Jasna, no matter where she is, whatever condition she is in, she will dance, and this is what happened.
मांगे है तेरी मंजूरी गजरा सियाही दिन रंग जाए तेरी कसूरी रैन लगाए मगन मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम
So that was our religious space hopping. Though I couldn't shoot most of the places, but I'm going to do this more, and hopefully next time I will record and shoot and document it properly. It was nice. It was amazing. I just had a great time. Like, trust me, the highlight of the place was Red Fort. You should try it out. Please go. You should go around 5:36ish, so that the entire space is open for you, and then spend till 9 o'clock. Like, you know, get food, go with things, just have a picnic. It's just beautiful. So try that out. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe, share, like this video, let the world know, and I'll see you soon. Like, take care. Bye.